When we've got really long waits, given the pressures at the moment, that's happening on sadly a fairly frequent basis. Patients can often feel like nothing is happening, even though we're, say, waiting for blood results or waiting for a ward bed and they've had their antibiotics and they're not due their next ones for 8 hours. People can feel abandoned and like nothing is happening. And just coming round, showing your face and saying, this is what you're waiting for. I'm sorry you're still in A&E, but you're still getting the right treatment. Can we do anything to make you more comfortable? People really respond to that.
You can go in and say to them, oh, you know, would you like a cup of tea, a few biscuits or a sandwich? And sometimes it takes their minds off of things. So they say, oh, well, I'd like a cup of tea or a cup of chocolate. And totally different.
And a cup of tea, you know, can build up a relationship between healthcare assistants and the families.
Yeah, even before they've had the baby, you're going to think of the tea, and it's often received as the best cup of tea they've ever had in their life.
But I know it's that people appreciate having a tea or coffee while they're waiting. Some of them have to wait for blood test results and things, so it's important that they have a bit of comfort while they're waiting, or they're a bit anxious about the treatment that they're going to have. So we try and cheer them up with a cuppa.
It's often said that the hot water that we need for birth is actually to make tea. It's not for any other purpose. We need the towels to dry the baby, but we need the hot water to make the tea with.
It shows that you are humanitarian and that you care about their well-being, and it shows that you're willing to take time to look after those less scientific needs, but still much needed and often unmet needs when the department is really busy.
I think it just symbolises just general offering somebody a cup of tea that you care. You know, they're not just in hospital. We're helping them, we're helping the patients, but we're helping the families as well. Just a cup of tea goes far, you know.
Well, a cup of tea always makes things better, like, you know, it makes the world go round.
The value of a cup of tea, well, it's priceless, isn't it, the value of a cup of tea?
As a tea drinker myself, I think there's nothing like a cup of tea to put you into a relaxed mood, so I think it's very important.